Alright guys, ready to begin our luau?
Yes we are, sis. This is going to be so much fun. Well then, let's begin.
So Toad, what trouble are we going to cause?
I'm glad you asked, Christo. Look down there.
Yahoo!
Oh my god, it's just Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil'Petey throwing one of their lame parties.
Seriously, Toad, how is that causing trouble?
Guys, let me get to the main point. So the main point is, let's go over to their party and mess everything up.
Ha 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 ha. That idea seems perfect, Toad.
Wait until those three find out.
Good, now let's head over to their party.
Man, this luau rocks.
No way. It stinks big time.
Toad, what are you and your friends doing here? You're all not invited to this luau.
All of you leave this minute.
Never. Instead, we'll mess up this lame party.
What?
What?
Let's mess everything up.
Face my keys. Face it.
Oh no. Our luau is all ruined.
Ha 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 ha. Take that, losers.
We can't believe you 9 right now. How dare you all messed up our luau.
That's it. You're all grounded for 4 weeks. You 8 go home now while I call your parents. As for you, Toad, go to your room now.
What do you think I'll do next? To be continued on way.
Toad, are you serious right now? I cannot believe what you just did. That's it, you're grounded for 4 weeks. You will spend the rest of the day in this room.
Now to fix everything. Yeah, our luau is all fixed.
Now to continue having fun in our luau.